Now, dear friends, with great pride, I request Honorable Shri Arun Gujarathi sir, former Speaker of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly, to deliver his speech.
Honorable Government of Maharashtra, respected Bhagat Singh Ji Koshyari Sahab, respected Dr. Vishawanath D Sahab, he is not present today. I pay my respect to him. He is a rare combination of modernity and tradition. He is a rare combination of religion with science. He is a rare combination of technology with spirituality. I humbly request him, I request the Almighty God for his early and total recovery. And Mangesh Ji, I congratulate you also and Dr. Rahul also. I requested Mangesh Ji, you make a little change in the name of the university. Instead of MIT University, make it a MIT Global University. Because the education of global level, the quality of education. And I think you will concede to my request and all that. Well, all the dignitaries on the dais, dignitaries of the dais and friends. When I say that MIT, M means maturity, morality and mind management. Mind management and time management are very important. Second, for I say intelligence, integrity and innovation. If there is no innovation, there cannot be said that there is a education. And T for tolerance and truthfulness. So this is a long form of MIT, that is what I personally feel. I would like to congratulate the graduates, their parents and family members and professors who are witnessing with you the beginning of your new journey, who will be proud of your future progress. I am impressed with the expanse of the space where you all have been extremely privileged to study and learn required skills from the best. So continuous study is very important. No pen, no notebook, no study, fail in exam. If fail in exam, no service. If no service, no marriage. And there is no marriage, no wife. And without wife, there cannot be a life. So study is very important. And we have all done that, whatever we have done it. But new generation, I believe in new generation. The best generation I have seen in my age, that is a new generation. You see, you have got the lifetime insurance policy with the premium paid in full by your hard work over the past years. The value of policy depends on how much effort you put into your education and what you do it as your progress. Take maximum advantage of what your education and what you do with your progress. Take maximum advantage of that offers. A university degree is one's passport to higher earnings and protection against the economic times. It is not a guarantee, but it will always be a stepping stone towards creating a better life. When we peep into the page of your year of pandemic, we find that students and teachers together had to complete the task of teaching and learning and exam remotely. The worst in the living memory, the worst year was 2020. I have not seen such a troublesome year. But students and professors, they have done it. Through the storms of deadliness and viruses, you fought and stood tall, and you will always remember these challenging times through which you got to learn become the challenges. The challenge is an opportunity. That is what the students have done. Convert the challenge into an opportunity, and whatever you want to get it. As we know that without continuous study, without ceaseless study, without Himalayan efforts, nothing is possible in our life. But you students, you have done it. We know this has been an exercise common to all universities, and we are learning from you as much as you are learning from us. Learning is a taking and giving process. So professors also learn from the students. I was telling Dr. Kulkarni from traveling to my residence here that my son is my parent and my grandson is my guide. Whatever they know, I do not know. That is and therefore we should appreciate and admire the new generation. The digital learning and rules of the digital behaviors, different methods of teaching and learning. No other graduating class had ever gone through such experience and change in form of the new normal. We are living in the 21st year of the 21st century. I remember one poem of the 21st century. How will be the 21st century? Ask Venus and Mercury. Robot will be friend forever and he will cheat you never. In future there will not be a hard passage and satellite will give the message. In future there will not be any sorrow. Everything is to buy and borrow from the shop of Bill Gates, which is near but narrow. So this is the 21st century. And we have to accept all the changes of the 21st century. Mahatma Gandhi has well said, be a change, otherwise you cannot change the world. Be a change. You become the change of the founder of that change. Without change, nothing is possible. Which word is constant in a changing society? The word change is constant in a changing society. So change is very important. I will request all students here, change. Whatever you see, new things, accept it, adapt it, whatever you can do with the new change and all that. So also, I will like to say, I remember one couplet in Sanskrit. I speak all the languages, Mangesh ji, Hindi, Marathi, my Khandeshi, Irani also I speak. That is not a language, but it is a dialect of the language. Aste bhaga aste naste udotishthati tishtata shvete nipadyamanasya charati charato bhagaha. If you sleep, your fortune will sleep. If you sit, your fortune will sit. If you stand, your fortune will stand. And if you walk, your fortune will walk. So, with you, with Vishawanath Ji, with Rahul, thousands of students, the fortune of thousands of students, they walk with your walk. So it is your now bounden duty. You are just confined to Pune. Extend it to Maharashtra, to my place, even though it is a small one, because the quality of education will improve the quality of life of the people. Education for all by 2020, that is what we have been telling. But we were not able to give education to all by 2020. But quality of education will improve the quality of life of the people. And this quality of life is very important. The education is a source of not only what we know, not only the wisdom and maturity, but humanity also. Our Vishwanath Ji having a great knowledge and mastery over Jnaneshwari. And Jnaneshwari, almost all of you might have, what we say, ek oli anubhavavi, ek oli anubhavavi. Tahane tahanachi pyavi, bhukeliya bhukachi khavi, ahoratra vavi mababa vara. भूक लागली तर भूक खायची, तहान लागली तर तहान प्यायची, फार उकळायला लागलं तर अग्नीच्या शेजारी बसायचं, फार थंडी वाजायला लागली तर बर्फाची चादर अंगावर घ्यायची, पण आपलं कार्य करीत राहायचं. अराइज अवेक अँड स्टॉप नॉट टिल द गोल इज रीच, हे आपल्याला स्वामी विवेकानंदांनी सांगितलं आहे. तर या स्पिरिच्युअलिटीच्या माध्यमातून यू विल एनरिच युअर पर्सनॅलिटी through spirituality. This is the only one university in India which has the foundation of spirituality. So spirituality accept in our life. Religion and spirituality are very different. I do not want to give any explanation, elaboration on the point. But the foundation of this university is itself a university with a difference. Itself a university with glory. It itself a university of reputation. And you are fortunate enough, the students here are fortunate enough that they got admission here and they got study here. You have got a chance to make your career here in this university. Development of personality and character development, formation of character and personality is the foundation of education. This education, you are getting it here. You are lucky and fortunate. And what I pray the Almighty God for the students here, हर उगता हुआ सूरज रोशनी दे आपको, हर खिलता हुआ फूल खुशबू दे आपको. हम तो कुछ देने काबिल नहीं, ऊपर वाला हर खुशियाँ दे आपको. Whatever you expect, you do. And for you, for Rahul ji and respected Vishawanath ji, what I will say, हर जिंदगी जिंदगी मांगे आपसे, हर खुशबू खुशबू मांगे आपसे, लेकिन इतनी ऊर्जा है आप में, उगता हुआ सूरज भी रोशनी मांगे आपसे. Do it. Whatever possible, do it. What is the philosophy of ours? सर्वेपि सुखिनः सन्तु सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखं वाप्ने. In one word we can say, this is Adhyatma, this is a spirituality, this is a Bharatiya culture, this is a Hindu culture, whatever you want to say, yes, but this is the sarvepi sukhina sati. Love the people. I say love the people, lead the people, meet the people. Without love nothing is possible. Love brings everything, love bears everything, love is kind, love is charitable, love does not rejoice at wrong, love rejoices at right, love is hope, love is faith, and love is life. So love is important, cooperation is important, help is important. In any language, these words are very important. And therefore, I see that time given is 10 minutes and all that, but I requested Mangesh ji give me 1 minute more. For the students, I will say, nasib nahi rehta sahab. Whatever do it, that your creativity is important. हाथ की रेखाओं में नसीब नहीं होता. अरे जिसको हाथ नहीं होता उसको भी नसीब होता है. So what is important is a creativity, ceaseless efforts, Himalayan efforts, and confidence. Without confidence, you cannot achieve your aim. So confidence is very important. मराठीत मी म्हणतो श्वास, विश्वास आणि आत्मविश्वास. तुम्हाला तुमचं जीवन अजून घडवायचे. यू आर युअर ओन आर्किटेक्ट ऑफ युअर पर्सनॅलिटी. Professors will be there to your help, your parents will be there, your friends will be there. पण तुम्हाला स्वतःचा एक आत्मविश्वास असा निर्माण करायला पाहिजे की मी करणार आहे. या आत्मविश्वासाच्या माध्यमातून आपण निश्चितपणे आपल्या जीवनामध्ये एक चांगल्या पद्धतीचं कार्य आपण करू शकतो. I again request the Almighty for the bright future of all the students. Those parents, those who are present here, I appreciate them and admire them. Otherwise, if the son is good, they do not say he is good. They do not say he is brilliant. They do not say he has not aptitude, talent, brilliance and all that. But parents also should appreciate, admire. Society also should appreciate and admire. And the love for the country is the last word. Ask not what my country will give me, but ask what could I give to my country. Love yourself, love thyself, love your parents, love your neighbor, and love your country. It is a message of today's. Thank you. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Thank you, sir. And once again, let us have a standing ovation for Honorable Shri Arun Gujrati, sir.